Hello, I am Ushan Buddhiga. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to develop a Windows Form application using C++ to convert USD to LKR. I will explain CLR project, UI design, coding process, and finally debug and show the output. Now I am going to Visual Studio, create new project, C++, enter enter CLR, empty project.NET framework. Next, project number 36, create. Now I am going to Windows, reset window layout, yes, then project properties, linker, system, subsystem, drag here, Windows subsystem, and then go to advanced, entry point, enter main, apply, OK, and then go into source file, add new item, UI, Windows Form, add, this is my form, and then go into view, toolbox, drag it here to left right side corner. Now first on label, this is a label bar, and I'm going to the text box. This is a text box, and I'm going to this one, properties, for the label properties making, and this one is a USD, and then going to make a text, here font, make a font, and then going to make New Roman, and keyboard, and font size maybe 12 or 10, from you. Then OK, now it is right. Okay, and then going to text box. I'm going to a font, Times New Roman, Times New Roman, bold, and font size 10 or 12, 10 is maybe okay. And then going to alignment, text align right side, and copy this one, and here copy paste right here, and copy this one, and paste here, align here, and now rename this one. Go to properties. I will rename this one. Okay, this one is LKR. KR. Enter. Now it is okay, and we are going to create a button drag to here and arrange it, and then going to rename button, calculate, convert, convert, and then make color change in font color and image color. Font color it's okay, image color and background color, back color. Background back color is maybe changed. It can okay now it is converted, and the font change the font times Roman times New Roman and bold, and then font size is 12, and okay, now it is okay. Then I'm going to write my form CTB here. I I check the local debug. I want to check the basic setup settings, and here I'm okay. Now I'm going to this basic settings uh, copy to copy to the here. Now this is my project number. It's 36. Change project number 36, and then enter. Okay. I am going to debug now. Okay, here I am going to type in any vector number, but it is the appearance is okay, but it's not working, not converting, because the settings is to be created. Okay, so yes, this form is okay. Now I am going to generate the code for the function this form. So I am going to close, and then going to my form H. Yeah, and then view code, uh, select all, sorry, select all, copy, go into the select all, copy, check into the Gemini AI, paste here. Okay, this is the prompt. I need to get the value from the text box 1, and I need to multiply it by 300 and display it inside the text box 2 once I press the button 1. Edit this program for this function. Okay, submit. This is a code here, and I will copy it, copy it, and then going to delete this and paste here, and then go into local debug window. Now I am checked with my form USD 10 convert 300 3000. Okay, it is functioning properly. In change any other value 15 convert 4500. Yes, okay. Okay, this form is functioning successfully well, and in this video I demonstrated creating a Windows form, design UI, and debugging the applications. This application successfully converted USD to LKR using C++ Windows. Okay, thank you.